Hello and welcome to part 6 out of 8 in our Microsoft Word tutorial. Today we will be discussing figures and how to import them into Microsoft Word and how to edit them correctly according to the technical guidelines as specified by the Department of Chemical Engineering at the University of Pretoria. Now, in order to insert a figure, you need software to produce figures. Now, you will most probably use Python or Excel to do this. Python's figures are already used correctly according to the guidelines, so you can just save the image and then import it into Word. Microsoft Excel, on the other hand, does not work like this. So we will be discussing Excel figure generation in this tutorial. So let's open Excel. In last tutorial we had vapor equilibrium data for the ethanol water system, and today we will be plotting it. So in order to plot data, you just select the data, you go to insert, you select the scatter chart drop down menu, and you select the smooth scatter chart. To add data to this chart, you right click in the center of the data and you click select data. Then you add data and you can insert a series name. I'm just going to say this is y equals x. Your series x values will just be all my x values, and my series y values will also be the x values. The only reason I am doing this is because it is desirable to have a y equals x line in the specific vapor equilibrium data. Now, you don't want a title and you also do not want grid lines, so you click on this plus sign at the top here and you can just say uncheck chart title, uncheck grid lines, and you want axis titles. To modify an axis title, you just click on the axis title and you start typing. And the same will apply for your y-axis. Okay, so now our axes are correct. Now we need to format, okay, because we want to limit the range of the axis, and we also want a border or frame surrounding the whole plot area. So again, you right click on the chart area and you click format plot area. Now this will open the format plot area menu, and you will go to border. You want a solid line border and you make sure your color is black. Now you also want to change your axis colors to black, so you click on the x-axis. Now you have a format axis toolbar. The line is automatic and your color is black. You click on your y-axis and do exactly the same. You select a solid line and you want it black. Okay, now you want to adjust the range of your chart. Now to do this, you need to go to axis options. You go to axis options and you go to bounds, and you insert a maximum bound of 1 for the y-axis. You click on your x-axis and you do exactly the same for your x-axis. Now your chart is correct. Well, nearly correct. You now need to click on the chart area. Now this is on the outside of the plot area. When you are at the chart area, you just want to remove the border of the chart area so that there is not a border when you copy and paste it or import it into Word. Now, to remove the border, you only have to go to the full options of the Format Chart Area toolbar and go to Border and select No Line. And now your chart is ready. So, just select the chart, press Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. Select the chart again and go to Center Justification, right click on the chart area, select Insert Caption. And now you want to insert the caption for a figure, and this will be below the selected item. You have figure 1 and you can just type in the rest of the caption. So this is vapor liquid equilibrium data. Okay, and there your caption is correct. Now just note that my captions text is not black because my caption style is not modified correctly yet. So if your caption style is modified correctly, you will have black text, and you will have black text with every caption. This is very important. Now you want to insert a cross-reference for this figure. So I'm going to type in, and now I want to say figure 1. So I will go to insert a cross-reference. I will now mark a figure. There is one figure, and you don't want the entire caption, you only want the label and the number, and you select insert. And now your cross-reference is correct. Just note that this figure will have to be bold when you are working correctly according to the guidelines. This concludes this video on how to insert a figure into Microsoft Word. Join us next time when we will be discussing how to update your sequences in Microsoft Word.